Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rakuten Marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Rakuten Marketing, start by visiting the Rakuten Marketing website. Look for the sign up or join now button, typically located on the home page. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Next, provide details about your business. Include your company name, website URL, and a brief description of your services or products. Select your marketing goals from the options provided. Choose the types of partnerships you are interested in, such as affiliate marketing or display advertising. Review the terms and conditions of the agreement. Make sure to read through the requirements carefully. After agreeing to the terms, submit your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for any further instructions or verification steps. Log into your Rakuten Marketing account using the credentials you just created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. To find potential partners, use the search and filter options available. Apply for partnerships that align with your marketing strategy. You may also reach out directly to merchants you wish to collaborate with. As your applications are processed, monitor your inbox for acceptance notifications. Once accepted, review the partnership terms provided by each merchant. Ensure you understand the commission structure and payment terms. To start promoting, access your affiliate links or promotional materials from the dashboard. Incorporate these materials into your marketing channels. Regularly track your performance through the analytics tools provided. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather to improve results. Stay engaged with Rakuten Marketing's support team for any queries or assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.